Hi, my name is Ali Yule, and I'm a product manager for Epson America's commercial scanner team. The DS-730N document network scanner features versatile media handling. Scan business or ID cards. You can also scan single sheets and folded pages up to 11 by 17 inches. Easily scan stacks of documents with a high volume auto document feeder for up to 100 sheets. Other scanning options include scanning with a carrier sheet and slow feed mode. Additionally, the DS-730N includes a reverse roller feed mechanism and ultrasonic sensors to prevent double feeding so pages aren't missed when scanning. To learn more, please visit epson.com/document scanners or reach out to your Epson sales representative today.